Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox credit. Roblox credit is a fantastic way to unlock new experiences and items within the Roblox platform. It's essentially a digital currency that you can redeem to get Robux, the main in-game currency, or to purchase a premium subscription. You'll typically find this credit on gift cards, which are available both online and at many physical retail locations, making it super accessible for everyone. Redeeming your Roblox credit is a straightforward process. First, head over to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the gift cards or redeem code section, usually found in the main menu. There, you'll enter the unique 25-character code from your gift card. After carefully typing it in, simply confirm the redemption, and the credit will be instantly added to your account balance, ready for use. Once your credit is redeemed, it typically converts directly into Robux, the virtual currency of Roblox. With Robux, you have a vast array of options. You can purchase cool avatar items to customize your character, acquire game passes for unique advantages in various experiences, or unlock special abilities. Alternatively, you can use your credit to buy a Roblox Premium subscription, which grants you a monthly Robux allowance and exclusive member benefits, enhancing your overall gameplay. Here are a few important tips and troubleshooting steps. Always double-check the 25-character code for accuracy before you hit redeem to avoid any errors. Make sure you're logged into the correct Roblox account where you want the credit applied. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to visit the official Roblox support page. They have extensive guides and contact options. Finally, it's always a good idea to keep your physical gift card or digital redemption confirmation as a reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.